Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 and I want to show you how to change audio balance on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for Accessibility selection, right there. And now we navigate to the hearing and scroll down to our audio balance, which we can change in connected audio or phone speakers. It is very easy to change. We must tap to the left or to the right or on the middle, what you really want. The same story with phone speakers. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.